Hi friend, welcome to Math A to Z. Our today's topic is a common question from number theory, that is binomial coefficient NCR an integer or not? Okay, binomial coefficient NCR is an integer or not an integer? And the answer is the binomial coefficient NCR is integer. Okay, so the binomial coefficient NCR is always an integer. So we get a theorem as if n and r are positive integer with 1 less equal to r less than n, this must be hold because NCR exists. Then the binomial coefficient NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial is integer. Right? Now we prove this theorem. Go to the proof. If we take two real number like 1.7 and 2.5, then box 1.7 equal to 1 and box 2.5 is equal to 2. But if we add two number 1.7, 2.5, whole box is equal to 4. So we can write this result. Okay, left hand side is 4 and right hand side is 3. So generally for any two real number, arbitrary real number a and b, we can write box of a plus b greater equal to box a plus box b, where box is the greatest integer function. In particular, for each prime divisor p of r factorial into n minus r factorial, we get box n by p to the power k equal to box r plus n minus r by p to the power k, and this can be written as greater equal to r by p to the power k plus for k equal to 1, 2 to infinity. Now adding this inequality for the value k equal to 1, k equal to 2 to k equal to infinity, we get as summation n by p to the power k equal to 1 to infinity greater equal to summation r by p to the power k equal to 1 to infinity plus summation k equal to 1 to infinity n minus r by p to the power k. Right? And we know that the left hand side is the exponent of the highest power of the prime p dividing in factorial. Okay, the exponent of the highest power of the prime p dividing in factorial, and this theorem is discussed in previous classes, and the link of this class is in the description box. Okay, and in the right hand side, this is the exponent of the highest power of p, prime p, dividing r factorial, and this is dividing n minus r factorial. Okay, hence the right hand side gives the exponent of the highest power of the prime p dividing r factorial into n minus r factorial, and this exponent is less than or equal to the exponent of the highest power of p dividing n factorial. So we can say obviously that from this relation n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial, this type of prime p can be cancelled from the denominator. Okay, and similarly all the prime are cancelled from the denominator. That is, the denominator is cancelled with some factor of numerator. Right? So this becomes an integer, and this is equal to NCR. So we can clearly say that the binomial coefficient NCR becomes an integer. Okay, very interesting and important logic. Okay, now we come to an important application of this theorem. This is also very important question to us. For any positive integer r, the product of any r consecutive positive integer is divisible by r or r factorial, r and r factorial. If it is divisible by r factorial, then it obviously divisible by r. Okay. For any integer r, positive integer, the product of any r consecutive positive integer is divisible by factorial r. We consider the product as n minus 1, n minus 2 to n minus r plus 1. Here n is the largest of r consecutive integer, and clearly this can be written as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial into r factorial, and we explained this result why we multiply n minus 1 to n minus r plus 1 here, and we multiply n minus r to 1. Okay, so adjusting this multiplication, we here 1 2 to n minus r, and this is equal to n minus r factorial, and this is equal to n factorial. Here we write n factorial by n minus r factorial, and we also multiply numerator and denominator by r factorial, and this gives NCR, and this is r factorial. We already proved that this is an integer. Okay, and since NCR is an integer, so we say that this expression must be divisible by r factorial, or we say that this expression is divisible by r. Okay, so we prove the result as product of any r consecutive positive integer is divisible by factorial r. Okay, so this is the today's class. Thank you for watching.